This in and of itself is worth the price. Sometimes you never know what you're gonna find at the dollar store, and I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's the smartphone LED selfie light. Now, it's called the Dollar Tree. Things aren't really $1 anymore. I know it's stupid. I agree. It should be $1. Everything's $1.25 now. So this light cost me $1.25, which is next to nothing. And I really want to put it to the test and see what my videos look like with this light on, with this light off, and show you what you guys can expect if it's worth $1.25. So let's unbox this and let's test it out. Here it is, the smartphone LED selfie light. And take a look at the box here. Natural fill light makes your photo more colorful. You can see the picture on the front there. And on the back, it's got a little bit of a description. Ultra wide LED, power and brightness button. Wow. So you can actually adjust the brightness of this. It's kind of impressive. A charging indicator light, because you do have to charge it. It has a battery built in here, so you charge the battery up and then you use it. Universal clip for mobile phone and tablet. It's a clip. Clips onto your phone. Pretty simple stuff. And a micro USB interface. Oh, wah wah. No USB-C. I guess what can we expect, right? Natural color, even in low battery, it says. Take around 200 photos in a single full charge. Not sure how they gauge that, since it's not a flash, it's a light. It turns on. And 3 levels of light adjustment. So there you go. Pretty simple stuff. Let's open this guy up. And I did manhandle it, and I had to rip open the tape here, so I apologize. It doesn't look pretty necessarily, but I didn't want to have to cut the tape on camera. So here we go. Inside, we've got a set of instructions. We won't go through there. And then the light itself right there. And look at this. They actually included a charging cable, which kind of surprises me. I feel like in this day and age, the iPhone doesn't even include like a charging brick or what have you, but charging cable is a nice little touch, especially for as cheap as this thing is. And here you go. Here's the light itself. And let's take a look around here and see what we got. Look at that. So the charging port is inside the clip. I'm not sure that's the best design, but whatever, right? So there you go. Here's the button. Let's see, you probably hold it down. Ooh, a strobe light. Let's hit it again. Hit it again. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 3 levels of brightness. And if you look close, it's actually a ring light. I mean, technically speaking, now, it's not what you think of as a ring light, but technically speaking, that's a ring light. Again, 3 levels of brightness, and then off. If I hold it down, I actually get a strobe effect. Dude, if that's not a bonus, I don't know what is. Super strobe. Hit it again and turn it off. All right, so let's clip it to the phone and see what that looks like. This is how you're gonna clip it to the phone. You don't wanna scratch your phone. There is a little rubber pad on there, so you don't scratch your phone. You will wanna be careful. And that's how it works. You put it right next to the camera, I suppose. And then let's go take this out. Let's go see exactly what this looks like. Not the best light situation. I'm in a basement here. I've got some light coming in from the side, nothing significant. It's a dark lit video. And now we're gonna turn on this selfie light to see what kind of a difference it makes. So this is low, and it definitely adds some fill light. Now, it's coming from the same side because that's the side where I clipped the light on this phone. Let me jack it up to medium, level 2, if you will here. And there you go. I mean, it's definitely filling it in. I do want to point out, and you can probably tell, this light is clearly a blue light, a very white light in terms of color temperature. And so here, the light that I've got coming in already is a very warm yellow light, and they're kind of competing with each other. And so as you go up to level 3, you ready? Here we go, level 3. This is the brightest of the levels. You can see that now the whiter light is taking over, the camera phone sort of adjusts for that. But it definitely makes a difference. It definitely adds a fill light. In fact, let me take a picture and compare it side to side. Here it is with no additional light, and here it is with medium light from this selfie smartphone light. You can see the difference side by side. Does it look great? No. Is it a game changer? No. It's $1.25. Certainly worth $1.25. If you're looking to take videos and just maybe have a handy light, if you want to take a video in a dark room or at night or what have you, this will certainly do the trick. Oh, and by the way, you get strobe light. This in and of itself is worth the price. Strobe light, party time. I am down with this. This is worth the price. I would pay $5 for this. I'm gonna turn it off before I go into some sort of seizure. But there you you go. There is this selfie light from the Dollar Tree. You know what? I think it's worth $1.25. It's fun. The younger generation looking to kind of have video calls, maybe with their friends in a dark room. This is a great little add-on, a cool stocking stuffer, a cool little gift, something that you buy and it'll be fun to play with. And nice job, Dollar Tree. I gotta hand it to you. This gets a thumbs up from me. If you like these kinds of videos, if you're a geek like me, like this video, subscribe to this channel. We would really appreciate it, and it helps our channel grow. Tech it before you wreck it.